So I've got this old car, a hot rod, a serious piece of iron, a dual exhaust rumbler, a tire smoking, gear shifting, full bore screaming hunk of Detroit vintage technology. It's feeding my heart like a mainline shot of adrenaline every time I step on the gas.
Alright guys, believe it or not, it is 90 out, and us New Yorkers are not used to that, so it feels really hot right now to me. So somebody, what's his name, Jim's Equipment Shed, mentioned that the videos are in 240, the qualities. Alright guys, it's in better quality now. I'll shut you guys off right now so I don't run out of memory. And I'm going to get this door off here. I drilled my holes to line it back up. And hopefully I won't have as much trouble as I did before to put it back on. So, because it shuts like brand new. Alright guys, here's a better view of everything before I paint it. I have all my seam sealer on, and here we go. So it looks like I'll be doing more patches than I thought, so I'm probably gonna have to do a corner here, take a, do an inch strip of metal across here to another corner, and then just that corner right there, and that's it. I think it looks pretty good. The rocker panels too. Next will be body work, filler and stuff. But first I gotta finish painting that engine, of course, over there. And yeah, it's looking pretty slick. There we go.